Okay guys, we got a 2005 Ford F-150 here. Now I'm doing both headlights on this because one side low beam's out, the other side high beam is out, and these bulbs are high and low, so you have to replace them both at the same time. This one is a Savannah H13. If you don't use Savannah, you can use any brand, but H13 is what you want. So there is a plastic clip right here that I've already removed, right here. And you're going to pull that back. You have a 10 millimeter here. You have a 10 millimeter down here. So there is two of them, one here and one here. Then you have another 10 millimeter, which I started to pull out. It is right there. Now there's going to be, besides those three 10 millimeters and that little tiny plastic Phillips to move that flap, there's going to be a clip on this side. Let's go ahead and shut this headlight off so you can see a little better. There's going to be a plastic clip. Oh, it's on a timer, of course. I can show you here because I've already pulled it out. This clip right here. It's going to be a little bit of a booger to get out. You need to get something to pry. And I'm just going to put a little pressure right there as I pull straight out with my hand. So I got to set you down for a second. Okay, so I just put pressure right here and just a little bit, not enough to hurt anything, just a little pressure right there, and then you just wiggle back and forth until she pops out. Now, when you get the headlight out, right here, the assembly, then you can look in there, there's a little tab. You're just gonna twist this whole thing right here. Just twist it counterclockwise like that, and she pulls right out. And then you can release it, and again, I'm gonna have to use another hand, but there's a peg that you're gonna push right there. So let me grab another hand here. All right, sorry about that. She was warm, so I had to grab a rag. So there she is. And now I got the other two headlights coming. I'm just gonna pop them in the same way, put them in, push them straight in. You can line up the three tabs right there. One side will be bigger than the other two. Push it in, twist it to the right, clockwise if you're staring at it. Then you're gonna pop this little flat piece right in there. Just line it up and give it a pop. Your three 10 millimeters and your small screw right there again to replace it. And so that's it. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.